Mom, my hand is super tired. Can you please help me with the bathtub? So if you are like me and you don't want to spend all day in energy scrubbing, this is the perfect product for you. This is the Tilswall M3 electric scrubber. As you can see, there are many parts right here. You get instructions manual, charge cable, 4 different type of heads. We have round, pointy, flat wide, and flat small. And here is the cool, nice handle. Look at this. This is power indicator. Oh, there's some juice in here. All right, and this is the main body. You got a release button right here too. All right, and this is the extension rod if you want to reach those hard to reach places, and it even comes with a 3M hook. But before we assemble it, let's go ahead and charge it, because with a full charge, which only takes 1 hour, you can have it working for 80 minutes. Looks like there are 3 levels of battery. Alright, now that it's fully charged, I'm going to line it like this. Assemble it. Alright. That looks beautiful right there. And check this out. You press both of these in. You can have it rotating from 28 degrees to 57 degrees and to 84 degrees. Found it back to its original position. So it's useful for those hard to reach places and angles or corners. Let's go ahead and use this round, and all you gotta do is line it up. Okay, that's pretty sturdy right there. All right, so this round piece is mainly used for bathtub and sinks, while the pointy one is used for slits and corners, and the flat wide one is used for tile, flooring, or glass. And lastly, this small flat one is mainly used for kitchen cleaning or grill. And I believe how you use this hook is simply you mount it on the wall and you hang it by the handle right there. That should be able to support the weight. Here's a tip on how to remove the heads. Simply place your foot in between the scrubber and pull up on the handle. You should hear a popping sound. There you go. So welcome to my master bathroom. Oh yes, this is in desperate need of a good cleaning, a good scrubbing, but I'm tired of having to manually scrub it. Well, let's see how it works. Let's go ahead and add some comment to it, and hopefully it will look beautiful. So keep a note, this is before. All right, so let's go ahead and power on. This is the low setting, which operates at 250 RPM. And let me demonstrate. See, easy grip handle. Wow, look how effortless that is. That's low, all right. Let me go ahead and get the corner right there, see? Now here's high. Now this operates at 300 RPM. You can either use one hand or two-handed operation. Look at that. That is so fun. That sound is kind of soothing too. So let's see how this turns out. I switched over to the pointy brush head. Let's go and angle it because there's a lot of corners there. Let's see how it works. Oh yeah. Look at how easy that is, cleaning the corners. And with the flat wide brush, I can clean tiles and flooring. And with this flat small brush attachment, I'm able to clean kitchen appliances such as this range top easily. So let's say I want to clean those hard to reach windows up there. So you want to use this attachment, and you simply release the button right here. Okay, pull it out. Make sure the white is on top. Snap it in. Snap it in. White and then gray. And now I can reach those hard to reach places. Look at that. Ooh, that's so fun. So imagine the possibilities. All right, are you guys ready to see how effective it was? But before I do that, I want to give a quick warning. And if you are to use a submerge, you don't want to go past this line. No matter what attachment you use, even the extension rod, you don't want to go past that water level line. I hope you guys are excited as I am. Here we go. Wow. Starting to look beautiful already, almost like brand new. Mom, come here. Take a look at this. It's like between night and day. It's a miracle. Wow, this is really a powerful unit. The motor supplies a 7.4 volts, 74 watts of power, featuring a torque of 44 inch-pounds. And you have these interchangeable heads, and don't forget the extension rod for all of your cleaning needs. This is ideal for people who's elderly or have strength or mobility issues, making this ideal as a present. So get your cleaning done properly with the Tilswall M3 electric scrubber.